Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first snow of the season and it's so pretty. It's really coming down and I'm so excited because Sonia G, out of the blue, launched a mini travel brush set. And although we're not traveling, I have always wanted a set of small brushes that were nice brushes. And I have Sonia G's Pro Face set, I have her Sky Eye set, and I have a lot of her original thick-handled brushes, and I just really love her brushes. So when these came out, it was $125 for the set, and I just had to get them. So launched on Wednesday, and 2 days later, excuse me, Tiger, I got my box, which I've never got a box in 2 days, so I don't know how that happened. But anyways, here they are. You have your 3 essential eye brushes, and then you have a face brush that has a mix of the goat hair. Now this has dyed goat hair and synthetic, so it'll stand up to creams, powders, and liquids. And then you have your just dyed goat hair, Saikhodo Goat Hair. And then your eye brushes are the undyed goat hair, which I really like because a lot of times I'll flip my brush over and use it both sides and for 2 different colors. And that I would definitely do with this set since you just have the 3. But for $125, that is a bargain for Japanese brushes. They're so pretty. Let me show you, here's my Sky Eye set. I want to say these brushes are about 5 inches tall. Here's next to the Sky Eye, which I want to say is a good inch taller. And the Sky Eye set I recommend if you have small hooded eyes like myself. But the Sky Eye set has the beautiful blue handles. But yeah, a good inch. And then her original red fat handle brushes, again, these are gorgeous brushes. So again, the travel set, the mini set's about 1 inch shorter. But any Sonia G brushes that you like, I highly recommend them all. But anyways, just so cute. So let me tell you about what we have in this set. We have the original flat definer, and they all say Sonia G on them right here. And then of course Japan. And this is your flat definer. And your flat definer is flat. And again, the undyed White Saikhodo Goat Hair. Excuse me, Tiger. And this is for the detail work around the eyes. So this I would use for my inner corner, and I would use it for brow bone and going underneath the lash line. It's perfect for that, and I can't wait to use it. Next, you have your, and this is an original Sonia G brush, just smaller, but she does have this brush in her original line. So that is the flat definer. Then next you have your mini booster. And your mini booster is for building up color and seamless blending. So again, look at that. Look at the grain on the wood. Can you see that? I just love that. Let me show you the grain on the first one. Look at that wood. And this is a limited edition set. So once they're gone, they're gone. We'll see about that. We've heard that before. But anyways, then next you have the jumbo blender. And the jumbo blender is really nice. It's got the nice thick head on that, and that is for building up color, blending, softening, and defining the crease. But that's a really nice brush. So these eye brushes are just perfectly curated. And the only thing, she came out with the wooden crane brush holder. I wish she had come out with like a brush roll or a case for these, because then that would be absolutely perfect to have a case to put these in to travel with. But I just love the wood. Look at that. Those are just so beautiful. Yeah, definitely grab these if you can. Now your face brushes, and again, the perfect companion pieces. The first one that you have is your mini base. And your mini base has your synthetic blend and your dyed Saikhodo goat hair to stand up to creams, powders, and liquids. It has flexibility, density, and airiness to it. And then last but not least is your classic face. Now your classic face is to be only used with powders. Okay, no creams on this one. It's just your dyed Saikhodo goat hair. But anyways, that is your classic face. And what that is to apply blush, contour, bronzer, highlighter with a perfectly diffused finish. So anyways, okay. Again, that's the Sonia G Japanese Keyaki wood travel set. It's $125, available at beautylish.com while you can get it. I highly recommend it, and that's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, leave me a message, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.